Welcome everyone to this helpful tutorial. If you've ever wondered how much time you actually spend on TikTok using your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you how to check your TikTok screen time and monitor your daily and weekly usage easily. See how it's done. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your profile screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now tap on Screen Time. Scroll down until you reach the Summary section. Here, you'll find a detailed view of how much time you've spent using TikTok. You can select any week to review and see daily breakdowns. It will also show your total screen time, daytime usage, and nighttime usage. Checking your TikTok screen time is simple and only takes a minute. This feature helps you become more aware of your habits and make better choices with your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore your screen time today.